India's SIF revolution just got bigger. Tata Mutual Fund has entered the battlefield with its first ever SIF product, Titanium Hybrid Long Short Fund. Strong pedigree, powerful strategy, and a bold promise, bringing the edge of derivatives to your portfolio. Let's break this down. Tata Mutual Fund is one of India's most respected AMCs, founded in 1994, known for disciplined risk management and distinctive hybrid strategies. And now, they've officially stepped into the fastest growing category in India, specialized investment funds, with the launch of Titanium Hybrid Long Short Fund, whose NFO is now open till December 8th. The core objective is simple: generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in equity, equity-related instruments, debt, money market instruments, and limited short exposure through derivatives. This fund is built around derivatives, specifically 1. Long futures and options, taking long positions in select opportunities. 2. Hedging, actively reducing risk during volatile market phases. 3. Unhedged shorts, identifying weak or expensive stocks and benefiting from expected corrections. Derivatives here are used not for speculation but for return enhancement and risk management, a powerful combination. The broad allocation bands are equity and derivatives, 65 to 75% fundamental bottom-up stock selection and tactical opportunities, along with long and short derivatives using futures and options, including paired trades, arbitrage, and short positions. Hedged derivative exposure 0 to 75%. Unhedged shorts 0 to 25% REITs, and InvITs 0 to 10% exposure to real estate and infrastructure income streams. Fixed income 25 to 35% stable returns through high quality debt. This flexibility allows the fund to actively adjust depending on market momentum. While most hybrid SIFs in the market today are essentially arbitrage based, meaning low risk, low volatility products, Tata is taking a very different approach. They are positioning Titanium SIF as an aggressive hybrid long-short strategy. That means higher equity participation, greater use of derivatives for alpha generation, a return profile that sits above equity savings and traditional hybrids. Instead of delivering arbitrage-like returns, the focus here is on enhanced risk-adjusted performance through long-short ideas, tactical derivative positions. The risk band for this fund is 5, benchmarked with CRISIL Hybrid Moderate 50/50 Index. Be aware, it is offering redemption only once a month, unlike other SIFs. Tata Titanium Hybrid SIF is offering equity taxation model with LTCG applying after 24 months at a rate of 12.5%. Tata MF entering the SIF space signals that the category is moving from niche to mainstream. First Quant, then SBI, Edelweiss, and now Tata. This gives investors more choice, more strategy depth, and more access to hybrid long-short models that historically only HNIS could use. If you want guidance on whether Titanium Hybrid Long-Short SIF fits your portfolio or want personalized allocation planning across SIF strategies, feel free to reach out on WhatsApp at 92055233100 or through email at sifinsights@gmail.com.